Hello guys, it's my hope that you're doing well and keeping safe. Now today I want to teach you how to set up WordPress. Now before you set up WordPress, there is something that you're supposed to do. One thing is to buy a domain and hosting, and I always advise people to buy a domain and hosting or hosting, especially the hosting platform should have the cPanel interface. No, I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress, and uh, and I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Now, the first thing you're supposed to do is to open. This is my domain, Katrina Hope. So my domain is katrinahopeblog.com. So and then you're supposed to type the word cPanel. Remember, when you buy a domain and hosting, there are some details you're going to be sent to your email, the cPanel username and password. Now we are supposed to put them here. I have already saved them here. I don't want to show you the credentials here. That's why I'm hiding them. And then I say login. Good. Now this is the cPanel. They have changed their interface of late. Once you're here, the next thing you're supposed to do is to come here to, you're supposed to go down to script. Now, but again, if yours doesn't have the script, you can also do it from the applications, the WordPress manager, or you can also do it from the software here. Software, you see, WordPress manager by Software Curious. But for me, because now mine has a script, I'm going to use the WordPress here. So I just click on WordPress. Good. I hope we are together. So when you are here, you click on install now. Now here I'm supposed to choose my installation, the path, or what we call the protocol. So I want it to be HTTPS. Now this S means what? Your hosting has what we call an SSL, and an SSL is a secure certificate. Good. So then this is my domain. So I have already chosen the protocol. Now in directory, because I want to install my WordPress in the main directory, I have to delete this. But in case you wanted to delete, to upload or to install WordPress in a directory, or what we're calling a subdomain, here you're supposed to type the name of the subdomain. Maybe, for example, I wanted to use the subdomain like new web or new. So my website will be https katrinahopeblog.com/new. But for now, because I want to install it the main blog, I choose that. Now the site name here, this is the name of the site. So my site name is called Katrina Hope. Good. And what is my site description? My site description is like what we call you know, it is supposed to be like 1 or 2 sentences describing what your website is all about. So maybe I can give I can say that because my website, the owner of this website, is giving hope to people affected by cancer. So I'm going to say that giving hope to giving hope, or maybe you can say that giving hope to the maybe you can also say that hope for the entire world, that can be my description. Good. Now here I'm supposed to type the username that I'm going to use when the login into the WordPress. So maybe here you can type you can have the username Katrina, maybe Katrina at 30. Password I can have Katrina. So this is the password I'm going to use to log into WordPress. Katrina at that is still, so this is going to be my username, this is going to be my password, and then this is going to be my admin email. What the purpose of the admin email? The purpose for the admin email is, in case you lose your password, what email can you use to reset your password? So the admin email is very important. Now, limit login access. This is very important to note. So these are word plugins that come automatically, that will automatically come with your cPanel. And then the classic editor is also very important. It helps you to edit your website very fast. The WP Central. So this one I don't have multiple WordPress, so I just leave it blank. And then after that, I just click on install. Wow, my installation is successful. Now, when you are here, you just click on this to see your website. You see, my website is there. And then now, administrative email, your URL. So this is now the dashboard or the backend of the website. In fact, we can also log out because we already know our password and username. So now, let's imagine that you don't have you want now to log in. Katrina, so you're going to type katrinahopeblog.com/wp/wp-admin. wp-admin. You remember the password that we put? The username was Katrina Hope, Katrina at that, and still the password was Katrina at that. And also you can also check here to see whether you have typed your password very well. And then you click on login. Let's see. Wow. Yes, I can save this password. You see now you're in the backend of your website. So thank you. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install themes, how to install a theme. So you can choose, it is always advisable to choose a good theme. So the next video, I'm going to show you how to install the theme and how to set up or to customize WordPress. Thank you. The next video coming up shortly.